Hello and welcome to this video on Android, the popular mobile operating system developed by Google. In this video, we'll be taking a look at what Android is, its history, and its key features. What is Android? Firstly, let's answer the question, what is Android? Android is an operating system designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It's based on the Linux kernel and is developed by Google. Android is an open-source platform, which means that anyone can use and modify its source code to create their own custom versions of the operating system. History of Android. Android was first introduced in 2008, and since then, it has grown to become the most widely used mobile operating system in the world. In the early days, Android had a lot of competition from other mobile platforms such as iOS, Windows Mobile, and BlackBerry OS. However, with its flexibility, openness, and affordability, Android soon became the go-to operating system for many manufacturers. Key features of Android. Now let's take a look at some of the key features of Android. Customizability. Android is known for its high level of customizability. Users can choose from a wide variety of home screen layouts, widgets, and third-party apps to personalize their devices. Google Services. Android comes with a suite of Google services such as Google Search, Gmail, Google Maps, and Google Assistant. These services are deeply integrated into the operating system and provide users with a seamless experience. App Store. Android has its own app store called Google Play, which is home to millions of apps. Users can download and install apps from Google Play with ease. Security. Android has built-in security features such as Google Play Protect, which scans apps for malware before they're installed on a user's device. Additionally, Android devices receive regular security updates from Google to keep them protected from the latest threats. In conclusion, Android is a powerful and versatile mobile operating system that has come a long way since its introduction in 2008. With its customizability, Google services, App Store, and security features, Android has become the go-to operating system for millions of users worldwide. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.